We'll guide you through how to change the ringtone on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone. So for whatever reason you want to go and change the ringtone, perhaps to make it the same as every other iPhone. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about changing it and setting it to something different. There's a good choice on the iPhone, and as well as that, you can go and get more as well. So we're going to guide you through what you need to know. So when your iPhone then goes and rings and you get a call, it'll go and sound different. So make this full guide and don't skip anything, and we're going to guide you through what you need to know step by step. So to get started, you don't actually do this in the phone app. You need to come out of it and you need to go and find the settings. Go and open it up like so. Now in settings, we need to go and start scrolling down like this. The setting we're looking for is sounds and haptics. If you struggle to go and find it, you can always go and use the search at the bottom and you can come into it. Now what you need to do is you want to come down and you're going to go and have the alert control here, the volume, but we're looking for ringtone. So what you want to do is go and tap on it. Now by default, it's probably going to go and use the reflection. That may go and sound familiar to you. What you can do is go and browse through here and see there's a big list of different options, and you can go and tap to go and hear they sound. You can go back to the classic iPhone ones as well, and you can go and choose these different ones. Now, if you find this selection still isn't enough for you, what you can do at the top here is go and press Tone Store. This will go and open up and you can actually go and buy tones. These will go and cost you money, so you can go and press tones at the top and you can then browse through them and go and purchase them. When you've gone and purchased them, they should then go and appear in this list. I actually previously have, so I'm just going to press download all, and then it should go and download a tone I bought, this one here, and when it's downloaded, I can click on it and then set it to that. And so when you go and select one of these, you're going to hear it sounds, but now the next time you go and get a call, that is going to be the sound that is made. So it's that simple. If you found this useful, then leave a like.